Many of us come to stock market with the hope of making big returns or big money, but some of us only or few of us only sustain in the market. So few of us who are unsuccessful traders become investor with their unsuccessful trades, and few of us left this race with small or big losses, stating it's our fate and stock market is a gamble. So next 3 minutes of this video will change your perspective towards stock market and will help you to understand which key points help us to become successful in stock market. Stock market is the only place where we have seen that people deployed their hard-earned money without proper knowledge and learning. As you see, never stop learning, as learning is a never-ending process and journey. So invest your time in learning about stock market. So this will help you to invest or trade your hard-earned money. Always start with small capital, but as you grow in your trading and your investment journey, deploy appropriate capital as per your expected return. Also expect a realistic return from stock market, and with reference to those returns, deploy appropriate capital so that you can manage your risks properly. So if on small capital, if you expect big returns, then risk also increases. So that's the reason we need to deploy appropriate capital for our investing and trading. As we grow in terms of our trading and investment, we need to invest in technology and proper asset as well. So this will help to expedite the journey towards the success. Protecting the capital and being in the market is important, because if we lose our capital consistently, we will stay away from the market. So it is important to stay in the market to test our learning and strategies and see if we become profitable trader or investor. For that, protecting the capital should be our primary goal in the stock market. Next important point is risk versus rewards. So initially follow low risk rewards such as 1:1 or 1:1.5. Don't strive for 1:2 or 1:3 risk reward initially. Following the low risk reward will boost your success rate and boost your confidence to trade or invest further. Before making any decision about buy and sell, do your homework properly and analyze the trade you want to execute. So proper analysis of trade based on your strategy is important. If you are following certain strategies, please follow them for certain time period, say 6 months or 1 year, then only you will come to know whether those strategies are working properly or not. Exit as per your set stop loss and set target. Initially taking small targets will help to grow the capital and also boost the trading confidence and success rate. So please follow this at the beginning. Next important point is self-discipline in the trading and investing. To implement discipline in trading or investing, first we should be disciplined person in day-to-day life. So implementing discipline in trading or investing is very difficult or tough task, because first we need to inculcate discipline in our day-to-day life and routine life. Then it will be automatically that discipline will come to our trading or investing. So to implement discipline in our day-to-day life or in trading, that can be achieved through meditation and 15-20 minutes exercise on daily basis. So if we start meditation and exercise on daily basis, then it will be easy to inculcate discipline in our day-to-day life and trading as well. So hope you have understood these key points which can help to become successful in stock market. Thank you for watching this video.